Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Computer Vision Fundamentals. Enabling eyes to see the world. Imagine teaching a computer to see and understand the world just like you do. That's computer vision. It's the field of AI that enables machines to process, analyze, and interpret visual data from the real world. Whether it's images, videos, or live streams for developers. This means building applications that can not only look at a picture but also understand what's in it, recognizing objects, people, actions, and even emotions. It's crucial because a lot of information in our world is visual. And making AI see unlocks countless possibilities. Our eyes capture light, and our brain interprets it. For a computer, an image isn't a picture. It's a grid of numbers. Think of every image as a giant spreadsheet where each tiny cell, called a pixel, holds a number, or a set of numbers for color. These numbers represent the color and intensity of light at that specific point. As developers, our first step is to understand that all the visual magic happens by manipulating and analyzing these numerical grids. This raw numerical data is the fundamental input for any computer vision task. Before AI can understand complex things, it needs some basic tools. Just like we learn to identify shapes and colors before recognizing objects, computers start with image processing techniques. These are mathematical operations applied to the pixel numbers. For example, edge detection helps a computer find where colors sharply change, drawing an outline of objects. Filtering can sharpen images or remove noise. As developers, we use libraries that provide these functions, allowing us to pre-process images and extract fundamental visual cues for the AI. How does a computer know a cat is a cat from a bunch of numbers? It looks for features, distinctive patterns or characteristics. For a cat, these might be pointed ears, whiskers, or a specific eye shape. Initially, developers would manually program rules to find these features. With modern AI, especially deep learning, the AI learns to identify these relevant features itself from vast amounts of data. This ability to extract meaningful patterns from raw pixel data is what allows AI to move beyond just seeing numbers to understanding objects. An AI learns to see by example. Much like a child, we train a computer vision model by showing it thousands, sometimes millions, of images that are carefully labeled. For instance, we feed it countless pictures of cats and label them cat, and similarly for dogs, cars, or trees. The AI then learns to associate the unique numerical patterns, features, within those images with their corresponding labels. As developers, we prepare this training data, configure the AI model, and guide its learning process until it can accurately identify new, unseen images on its own. Computer vision is no longer science fiction. It's all around us. Think about your smartphone's face unlock, self-driving cars navigating complex roads, or medical AI detecting anomalies in X-rays. It powers augmented reality apps that overlay virtual objects onto the real world, helps robots sort items in warehouses, and even assists in quality control in manufacturing. For developers, understanding computer vision opens doors to building these transformative applications across almost every industry imaginable. Ready to dive in? Python is the language of choice for computer vision, with powerful libraries like OpenCV for basic image processing and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch for building advanced deep learning models. As a developer, you'll learn to load images, apply processing techniques, build and train AI models, and deploy them into real-world applications. Start by experimenting with basic tasks like object detection or image classification. The beauty is that many tools are open source and accessible, making it easier than ever to start your computer vision journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.